In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made $125 just by promoting ChatGPT affiliate services on Pinterest using free traffic. Okay, I started this business with $0, and in today's video, I'm gonna share with you step by step how I did it. So you just need to copy and paste my method so you can start making money with ChatGPT affiliate services. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, as you can see over here, I made $125 in commission, and what I did is just by promoting ChatGPT AI services on Pinterest. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do first is you need to join Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you will do, first step guys, is you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, then sign up by click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do now is you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, so it's really easy and simple. Then this will be your home page. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. What you need to do now is you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, like this. Then you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate page. Okay, as you can see, the sign up process to a Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. So what you need to do is you just need to put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. You will answer few questions over here and choose your country. Okay, then choose your language, put your Skype here. If you don't have Skype, just click on next. You can Skype this step here. Okay, and you will answer next few questions, and that's it. Okay, it's really easy and simple, as you can see. After you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, so that's what I did. This will be your home page, and you should have an account. You should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to go back to your home page to Fiverr. Okay, like this. What you need to do now I'm gonna share with you which ChatGPT AI services I was promoting on Pinterest. So click on the search over here and search for ChatGPT. Okay, search for ChatGPT prompt. Okay, like this. Scroll down. Okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of services here on Fiverr about ChatGPT prompts. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to choose one of those sellers. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Make sure to always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, because if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers over here. Okay, I'm gonna choose, for example, okay, I will provide limited bundle. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. As you can see, this one is level 1 seller. He has almost 5 stars. I will click on his service. So just click on his service. You will be directly in his profile page like this. What you need to do now is you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link, then go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, then click over here on default and deep links. Okay, then click over here and put this profile seller link here like this, then click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do, so you just need to copy this link from here. So next step now is we need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So what you will do is you will go to Pinterest. Okay, so if you don't have an account on Pinterest, just go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Pinterest is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Pinterest. Okay, and make sure to choose business account, okay, not personal account. You need to open a business account. So this will be your home page. Click on create, okay, over here, and click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Scroll down and put your affiliate link here. Okay, this is my affiliate link. What you need to do now is you need to put your title, description, and picture about this affiliate service that is about ChatGPT AI. Okay, what you need to do is just go back to this profile seller page on Fiverr. Okay, and you can copy his title. Okay, you can use his information because you are just an affiliate. I will copy his title. I will go to Pinterest. Then I will paste this title here. Description. Let's go back to his profile page. Scroll down about this gig. This is his description. Okay, I'm gonna copy just this part to show you. Okay, let's go to Pinterest, and I'm gonna put this description over here. Okay, like this. Then I will go back to his profile page, click on his picture, and upload this picture to your laptop. Double click, save image, like this. I'm gonna name it ChatGPT, save, and go to Pinterest again. Click over here. Okay, click on this icon over here and upload your picture. Okay, about your affiliate service. This is my picture here. Open, and here you go. This is your picture, this is your title, and this is your description. This is your affiliate link. What you need to do now is you just need to click over here on publish, and your affiliate link about ChatGPT AI services will be published on Pinterest. And you know that ChatGPT AI is trending now. A lot of people are searching for AI tools, AI websites, ChatGPT prompt. That's why you should start promoting this AI affiliate service on Pinterest so you can make money with ChatGPT services and Fiverr affiliates. Okay, it's really easy and simple. You don't need to invest any money. You can start with $0. Just you can use Pinterest to get traffic to your affiliate links, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. This business is still new. Okay, so you guys, you should start this if you want to earn money online with ChatGPT. Okay, so see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because I will still upload more videos about AI services and how you can make money with AI. So stay tuned, guys. Leave a comment, like this video, share this video with your friend, and see you in my next video.